The brand new Silver Line extension downlinks Washington, D.C. to Washington Dulles International Airport. This is huge. There's a reason why all the media has been talking about this, but what they haven't been covering is the actual journey itself.
After entering the Foggy Bottom station and paying a small fare of $2, I was waiting for my Ashburn-bound Silver train. Hop on and you're already under the Potomac River. These high-speed tunnels look like you're going into the Matrix. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Driving at this time was actually faster than staying on the Silver Line. But do not underestimate how busy this area is during the evening rush hour. It is unbelievable. Driving is subject to delays, but the train isn't. You know I can't help it with the planes, and today was a crystal clear day, allowing us to see the contrails. Wow, this shot just highlights how America has designed cities around highways and has highways ripping through cities, dividing up and separating the people into categories over time. It is just astonishing how unwalkable America's cities are. Not much interesting scenery to see between Tysons and Dulles, but speaking of Dulles, we're almost here. We're one station previous to Dulles at the brand new Innovation Center station. Oh wow, look at the beautiful aircraft. When I fly into Dulles International, I will make a whole detailed video about this, but this is a train video. Another advantage to the Silver Line is taking the Silver Line is exponentially cheaper than driving or taking Uber. I paid only $2 and I went on a Sunday. You can't beat that. Welcome to Dulles International. This isn't even the final stop on the Silver Line, but this is obviously the most important and relevant one. I didn't think my first time in Washington Dulles Airport would be on the train. It was only $2, literally $2, and we're in the middle of a holiday rush. It was $2 compared to like $60, $70 with an Uber. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Oh, and last thing, you get these cool trinkets.